What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Motor Nubs YouTube channel, and today is the 2024 Honda, I want to say Razor. It's a Honda Talon, and it's the 1000. What?
American made.
American made. So Ethan, this is Ethan's ride. He got an AJK rear cage add-on, so we'll check that out here in a second, and also the Milwaukee lock-in toolbox for the back area. And then what else did you get right here?
I got aftermarket fender flares.
Fender flares. Any brand on these? Just
these
Amazon special.
Amazon special, I think. Let's see.
Oh.
Nope. Let's see.
Oh Lord.
Oh yeah.
Mud flaps. Honda Talon 1000.
Well, we'll check those out here in a second. So the front fender lines up into the stock, or the front.
You might can leave out now.
It lines up into this stock area.
You got three there.
And you have to drill out all these holes and then put all these push pins in. And then go in and then lock down. Alright, so the top side is slotted and adjustable. And it's got a bolt and a spacer that goes in, and then you suck it down tight from the top. And there's three. It's gonna go 1, 2, 3. So if you're nervous about drilling into your machine, do not buy this set. All right, so the front, this is a completed side. The 3 bolts, they have washers or like spacers that go in through there, so that way it keeps the factory look. And let's see what it looks like from the side.
These ones I bought purposely for it. So it
Yeah.
should.
And I believe he said he just got these on Amazon. They don't have a name brand or anything, but all push pins on this side, and then there's 3 bolts like that. Probably gonna do the other front just because it's easy, and then we'll check on the back. It looks a lot more difficult. All right, there's that side. Let's get a good front view. They don't stick out that much from the front. The back should help quite a bit. Holy smokes. There's the back factory ones. Not much.
Who uses that? Huh? Who uses those 2 bolts there?
Yeah, you gotta use them bolts. You have to pull out.
It's
Don't
gonna
pull out
add
yet.
a lot of coverage.
Go, Brandon.
I'm already been going. That looks good. That should help. We can go test it out.
Jesus. There you go. All right, Chris.
Oh, you did?
All right, there it is. Both of the backs. Okay, so the front takes literally like 15 minutes. The back's probably about an hour and a half on each side. Because this section right here has these metal clips, and they're under a ton of tension. Just follow the directions. You're gonna hate it. How do you review this? Looks? I think it looks great. Function?
Function.
Should help.
Yeah. It's gonna help a lot.
It adds, what, 10 inches of, well, what were these called? The mud?
These are the mud flaps.
Mud busters, yeah. So, we'll see how they do up in the mountains.
No, I think I got different bolts.
Yeah, you're gonna have because you got a shoulder on them. Save them.
Well, that looks better, too.
Yeah, it's gotta be there.
Yeah, I got hexagon bolts for that, Eric.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Good. No, that's a little off right there. We got to bend it a little bit. Them tabs.
Gonna have to tweak it a little bit.
I have to drill a little bit on those tabs.
Yeah,
Yep.
tweaked.
You got them?
So that lines up, that lines up. That one's a little off. Tweak that bad boy over. That one too. Now he ain't gonna be spilling all those tools out the back now. That looks like a bicycle helmet. Yeah, that's DOT. Put it on. Flip it around backwards. Do you wear it forwards or backwards?
Turn your hat backwards and put that one forwards.
No.
No. Turn around. Turn around.
Turn around like this.
Yes.
Oh,
Hell yeah. Look at it. Look.
no.
Yeah.
Flip it around.
That look kind of gay.
DOT in the front, yeah.
For some, this thing's kind of fun.